Hello dear student. Yes, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn enrichment activity 2. Yes, which is on page number 71. So here our enrichment activity second, that is unit 3 to 5th. So it is depend upon unit 3 to 5. Just see that what is name of the activity? Mori's friend. Yes, Mori's friend. So you can see here one bird. Yes, it is a parrot. Yes, which is the bird? Parrot. So you can observe here. See, his beak is red and big eyes. And you can see here. See, this bird sat on the where? Yes, on the branch of the tree. So here this is the story of the small parrot. Yes, so what is the story? We have to see it. Just see here. I'll read and I will explain you. My grandparents brought home a baby parakeet. I had been asking for one for ages. Dadi told me that she had found the chick under a tree. She found the feathers of an adult parakeet nearby. Maybe the chick's parents had been eaten up by a cat or a snake. So, what he is saying, this who written this story, what he is saying? Yes, that author is saying that my grandparents brought home a baby parakeet. So, they brought a small baby parakeet in home. So, I had been, this author who written this story, what he is saying that he had been asking for one of the ages. But what happened? Dadi told that she had found the chicks under a tree. So, a small chick, yes, chick means who? Baby of the parrot. So, she got that small baby or chick under a tree. So, she found the feathers of an adult parakeet nearby. And even what happened? Even what she told? She told that this small chick I got under the tree, and even here she saw that feathers. Feathers means, see here, wings. Feathers of the adult parakeet. Adult means who? Means maybe his parents. Yes, this chick's parents, they had feathers. So what she found? She found the feathers of the adult parakeet near the tree, and maybe the chick's parents had been eaten up by a cat or a snake, and she is thinking that maybe there she found those feathers. So she is thinking, yes, Dadi is thinking that maybe somebody, see, you know that in here in forest, yes, here there are lots of animals you can see, snake, cat, lion, tiger, lots of animals you can see. So maybe she is thinking that there she got the feathers of the adult parakeet. So maybe somebody eaten that cat or somebody eaten that parakeet. Yes, his parents by the snake. Means snake or cat, somebody eaten its parents. She is thinking. Next para, see that. The chick had a large red beak. Its eyes hadn't opened yet. Tiny green spikes poked out of its leathery skin. It would keep crying out for food all day long. Ma started feeding it boiled and mashed lentils and raw fruits. Its skin was, yes, see here, its skin was translucent, and we could see the food making its way down to its tummy. And somehow, even without opening its eyes, it knew when my mother was around. See what happened. Yes, now what he is saying that the chick, she is describing about the chick, how it was. Yes, he has a red beak. Beak means, you know, na? See this red beak. And its eyes hadn't opened. Even his eyes also closed, because maybe it is very small chick. Yes, so tiny green spikes poked out of its leather skin, and even small, tiny means we small, by sharp things, yes, come out from the feather side because she don't have lots of feather. It is very small. So it would keep crying out for food all day long. And maybe this is parrot is very hungry. This chick is very hungry. So whole day she was crying, or this parrot is crying for food. Yes, from the long days, means long of the days. His condition was there, very bad condition was there. Ma started feeding it boiled and mashed lentils. Even Ma means who? Mom of this author who written this story. Yes, so that author's mom or mother, she started feeding it boiled and mashed lentil. You know that usually when a small child is there, you can see, usually they cannot eat food, hard food. So they have to give so boiled, even smashed food, even soft food they have to eat. So here also this small chicks, so Ma know that he cannot, this parrot cannot eat hard food. So what she did, she was started to feeding a boiled and even mashed lentil. Lentil means some things you are saying though, small means nuts and raw fruits, even the raw fruits, small raw fruits. Its skin was, see here, translucent. Translucent means what? Transparent, because somebody still he was very small, so one also wing or feather was not there in his body. So we could see the food making its way down to its tummy, and even see, and it is very small, so anybody can see that the food which he is eating and it is going down into the tummy, everybody can see that. And somehow, even without opening its eyes, it knew when my mother was around. And even that he was very sharp. Yes, he was he was just very sharp. He was knowing the movements of its mother. Whose mother? Author's mother. So when his mother went here and there, he just know that sound of its mother. Next, what happened? See, after a week or so, it opened its eyes. It used to lick any new food we offered. Slowly, it figured out its favorites. It's used to like peas, carrots, watermelon, and mangoes. It would hang from my chain with its beak. Pull my hair and grab any shiny buttons on my clothes. We became friends. I decided to call it Muri. Why they given name Muri? Yes, because he was very cute and very small, very tiny bird. Yes, tiny chick. Yes, so what happened? See, after a week after he closed his which his eyes was closed, so he just opened its eyes, and it used to lick any new food. Lick means just taking a taste of the new food whichever we offered, means whichever they offered. Even slowly it figured out its favorites, and slowly it just came into its natural condition, and it used to like peas. Even what he used to like to eat peas, carrots, watermelon, and even mangoes. He likes to he likes to eat these all things: peas, carrot, watermelon, and mango. It would hang from my chain, and even see, it was what he was doing. He was hanging author's chain which was in his neck. Yes, so he was trying to pulling the chain, pulling its hair, even grab any shiny button on his clothes. So he was just trying to touch because he's sitting on the shoulder. We became friends, and then author and that parrot, the small parrot, they became a friend, and he decided to call it Muri. Yes, so Muri is his name. One day I returned from school to find Muri walking outside the cage. One day what happened? One day author returned from the school, and he found that Muri walking outside the cage. Cage means where he means, see, you know the cage. Cage means where usually birds will be keep inside that, locked. So I was really scared. What if it flew away? And author, what? He just scared. Why he scared? He was thinking, if it is fly away means what should I do? Because he is my best friend now. And now if he went from there, so what shall I do? A neighbor who had come over was telling my mother to clip its flight fears or feathers. Okay. Flight feathers. So neighbors who are their side and they are watching to that bird. So they all are suggesting to author's mother, just cut the feathers of the bird. I did not like the sound of that, so I scooped up Muri and walked off. See, so I did not sound means author. See, sometimes if you are thinking that if you want to cut his feather means you are not thinking, means you are thinking that it is very bad. Why? Because see, and you like to see the animal, but somebody is hurting to eat means you are not feeling good. So author also doesn't like its sound. Yes, so what he did, he just picked up that Muri and off from there. He went from there. So next page what happened, just see here. Next what happened, second page. When I later asked my mother, she showed me some feathers hidden under the colorful feathers of Muri's wing. If those were clipped, Muri wouldn't be able to fly away. Ma said that clipping the feathers would not hurt Muri, as it was like paring our nails. See, then what author thought that it will be hurt. So what he did, he took that Muri and he went from there. And when later he asked to mother, what he asked, she said that she shown that. What she shown? She shown some feathers are hidden under the colorful feathers of the Muri's wing. And she said that if we clip means what? Just cut down. Yes. So if we cut or the feathers, what will happen? Muri wouldn't be able to fly away. And so Ma said that clipping, yes, clipping of the feathers would not hurt to Muri, because it is like that we sometimes we are our nails also we can cut. Yes, when it increase we are cutting our nails with the nail cutter. So like that, so it will hurt you? No. So like that, Muri's wings also have more wings. So if we cut and hidden under that small wings or feather, it will not hurt to Muri. So mom what she did, he explained to that author. I was very happy. This way I would have Muri with me forever. But then my mother said, I will clip the feathers for you. But before that, tell me something. Would you like to be stuck in this house forever, not able to go out to play or meet friends? So now, see, he was happy. Why he was happy? Now you know that if he clip that feathers, the Muri will not hurt. Yes, so afterwards mother asked that, yes, see, I would have Muri with me forever. Yes, but then mother what said? She said, if I clip the feathers for you, but what? If you are like to sit here only, or you want to go away or outside with the play with your friends? So he asked the author. Author said that, of course not, ma, I answered. So he doesn't like to stuck in a house. Stuck means what? Stuck means sit in a home. Yes, but he likes to play with friend. So what he said, see, you keep saying Muri is your friend. Do you want it to go through what you don't like for yourself? See, now mother is asking, you keep saying Muri is your friend. Yes, you are saying that Muri is my friend, Muri is my friend. But yes, do you want it to go through what you don't like for yourself? And what you don't like, you want to go through like that? No. So he answered, rose in my mind. Yes, as the answer rose in my mind, I grew sad. But the path ahead was clear. I couldn't keep it in a cage. Muri would learn to fly with other parrots. I would be Muri's true friend. And finally, what mother asked? See here, if I cut his here what feathers, she will not fly. So you also like to sit in home and you want to sit or stuck in home. You don't like to play with your friends. So he answered, no mom, I like to play with my friend. So mother said that. What she said, just like you have lots of friends, so Muri also have lots of friends. And what he understood that as the answer rose in my mind means he grew sad. Grew sad means grew. Grew means what? He grew sad means what? He know that now he clear about his mind what? He could not keep that Muri into the cage. But Muri wants to fly with other parrots. So I would be Muri's friend. And finally he decided to lift the Muri from the cage because his mother suggested no. Yes. So this is all about story of the Muri's friend. So Muri's true friend who was? That author. Author was Muri's best friend. What he did? He did it properly. He take care of that Muri and finally he left him and he given him to flew away. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.